Ciao everyone, welcome to Beatspot. I'm Marco, and in this video I want to talk about mixing with earbuds, especially with in-ear earbuds. So I have this pair of Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro 250 ohm. So I love them, I love how they sound, but as you can see, they are open back or semi-open back, I don't remember. Anyway, the bass power, the bass frequencies just escape from this pavilion because it's open. So they are great for mixing mid-range, high-end. They are nice for mixing low-end. However, they are not perfect for mixing low-end. So one pro of these headphones is that because of the open back pavilion, they don't overload your eardrums with bass frequencies. However, they aren't really well defined in the low end. So recently I started mixing with these ones. So they are in-ear earbuds and they are great. I mean, they give me a completely different perception of the stereo image, but I don't care about that. I just can use them to check if I'm too wide or too narrow, something like that, just a different perspective. But for low end, they are great because they go right inside the ear. And if you wear them in the right way, okay, you can really feel the bass. And you have to pay attention to how you wear them because just a slight movement of them can completely alter the sound pressure of the bass frequencies. So they're a great alternative for all those people that don't have a sub-pack. Okay, sub-pack is perfect. I really recommend it if you can afford one. However, it's not for everyone. So I just realized how accurate these kind of headphones, earbuds are, because they are great at detecting rumble, low-end rumble. And this is great when you want to sidechain, when you maybe have a sub bass and a kick drum, or a kick drum and 808, a kick drum and whatever other kind of bass sound. It can also be a sound effects like a sub boom, an impact, all those sort of stuff. So these earbuds aren't really expensive as far as I remember. I paid these like 20-30 euros. And you don't need the really high-end earbuds. I mean, if you want high-end earbuds, probably you will get a better mid-range and a better high-end sound. That's not my case. I already have the Beyerdynamic, but I think that if you're a beginner or if you're on a budget at the moment, you can just spend those 20-30 bucks on this type of earbuds. Just see by yourself how more in depth you can go with your low end. Another tip on how to focus more on the low end when mixing is to just put the band of the low end in solo. So let's give it a look inside Ableton. So here I have this project, and here in the master I have this multi-band dynamics with this 120 Hz band, and here I can just listen to the bass frequency. So this trick is great with these headphones, but it's even greater with earbuds. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and see you in the next video.